Hey developers, welcome back to Quick Dev Time. Today we are diving into the strategy design pattern and how it can help you write more flexible and maintainable C# code. By the end of this video, you will not only understand the pattern, but also see how to implement it in a real-world scenario, especially a payment processing system. Let's get started. So, what is the strategy design pattern? It's a behavioral design pattern that allows you to define a family of algorithms, encapsulate each one, and make them interchangeable. Instead of hard-coding behaviors, you can dynamically change them at runtime. This makes your code more scalable and easier to maintain. For our example, imagine an e-commerce application where users can choose to pay with credit card, PayPal, or cryptocurrency. We'll use the strategy pattern to switch between these payment methods seamlessly. Let's jump into the code. We'll create an interface called iPaymentStrategy, and each payment method will implement this interface. Here is how it looks. Next, we'll implement concrete strategies for credit card, PayPal, and crypto payments. Now, let's create a payment processor class that uses the strategy interface. This allows us to change the payment method dynamically. Let's put it all together with quick demo. We'll dynamically switch between payments methods. As you can see, we can switch between payment methods without modifying the core logic. That's the power of the strategy design pattern. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coding tutorials. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.